Y'all, editing Bianca here. I just realized that I never did an intro for this video. So, hello. If you're new here, my name is Bianca, and if you're returning, then welcome back. I am doing a self-portrait photo shoot today while also trying out and testing out the Smashbox Always On foundation. I did actually try this, I realized, in another video, doing a photo shoot as well. My last photo shoot. But I'm putting her to the test again. And I will say I did really like it. I think that it lasted really nicely, and I think it's kind of slipping into my #1 favorite foundation right now. Anyhow, keep watching if you want to see a fun Y2K photo shoot. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.
It's me, Bianca.
Smashbox just launched their Always On Skin Balancing Foundation with adaptogens, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which you gotta love skincare ingredients in foundation. Let's see what she's all about. Did moisturize and put on my SPF, of course, every single day, boo-boo, even if you don't leave the house. Because hello, if you have a house like me that has natural light, I'm still gonna get in, honey. This foundation claims to have a 16-hour wear. It claims to be medium to full coverage and claims to be buildable. So I'm really gonna put this foundation to the test because I'm doing a Y2K inspired photo shoot today. It says it's best to apply with your fingers and then to apply with a brush. So we're doing that today. So far, I think that she's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna try to build up a little bit down here because I do have those breakouts. But for the most part, I feel like it covered really well. And I mean, you can't really even see the breakouts, honestly.
It's from the early 2000s, so I feel like it would be perfect for my photo shoot. So let's see what's in it. I was in the Army, if you didn't know, so I have a bunch of Army stuff in here. Random ass frame, okay. Aw, some photos of my family. I know I have some Y2K stuff in here. I actually when I was in the Army, I was a satellite engineer. I was a part of the space unit, and I actually worked for NASA. Fun fact, if you didn't know that about me. Worked for NASA for a little bit. I just saw my coin. I don't know where I put it. Some CDs. What is this? Alicia Keys! Oh my god, what? Cute. One of my little picture books from high school or from middle school. Oh my god, how funny. ¿Qué más? What else do I have in here? Oh, where are all the Y2K stuff? Okay, well, I'm definitely gonna throw this in the shoot because hello, glitter. Cute little purse. Here's my NASA coin. You only get this coin if you actually were a NASA employee. Pretty cool, huh? I should film it.
Shut up and sit down. And sit down. Can't hide it. 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 Can't hide it.